Like this flushed me out real good. So if you want to try this, make sure you're doing on the weekends that you're at home so you can flush out all those heavy metal toxins, bad bacterias, bad fats, all the bad stuffs in your system all flushed out, and you are so nice and healthy. Bad hormones as well. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient you need is cilantro and parsley. These are very cleansing. They contain high amounts of chlorophyll to do the proper cleansings to flush out all those bad hormones, heavy metals in your system. So that is a handful of cilantro and parsley. Next very powerful everyday ingredient is ginger. Ginger as well is very cleansing. It heats up your system to flush toxins out, detoxify you of bad fats, promote your system to flush all those waste heavy metals in your system. Like this is so cleansing as well, and you don't need a lot of ginger, just a handful is fine. So you want to get your ginger washed thoroughly and chop up into some good little sizes. Ginger as well has anti-inflammatory properties to get rid of all the bloating, constipation, like all those heavy waste in your system, slowing down your metabolism. It helps you pass out everything and you get back to your regular digestive system being so active and good. So this is ginger. The next very powerful ingredient is beetroot. Beets are very cleansing, very detoxifying. Your organs will love you for this. They will cleanse your organs for you, your liver, your kidneys, your blood, like you will cleanse your inner system for you real good. So what you need is half of this. So you want to slice, divide in the middle. You need just half of it. So you want to three quarter of it, sorry, or half of it. So you want to slice up into some good little sizes and chop up real good so you will really get the juice in there, even though we are using this 2 times. So you want to watch till the end so you understand. So this is the much I'm using, not all of it. Like I just measure, so that is fine, just this quantity. So this is beetroots, very detoxifying, very cleansing, very, like it will cleanse, leave your system like sparkly clear. So chop up into some really good sizes that you can really like get enough juice out of this. And yeah, so voila, this is it. And what you want to do is to put these ingredients in the pot with the parsley, the ginger in your pot as well. And I will be adding apple in here. Apple tea is very good. Apple tea does wonders to your system. So you want to add in half an apple in here. So I'm using half of this apple, slice up into some good little sizes and add in there. Apples are very good, most especially apple tea. So you get it from here now. So couple with the other ingredients. So you want to slice up. This contains a lot of benefits for your system, and our doctors can tell. So this is it. Have an apple, slice up, and you add it in the pot of the ingredients. So this is what you want to do. And the next thing, you measure 6 cups of water. So this is 4 cups, and I'll be adding 2 more, equal to 6 cups of water. So once you put 6 cups of water in your pot, in your pot, you want to put it on your stove to boil. So this, you don't, this is where the secret is. You don't want to overcook this. Don't overcook it. So just have it on there. Once it start boiling, make sure it stays there for just 10 minutes and you off your stove or your gas depending on the heat. Once you see it bubbling this way, turn off your stove. Turn off your stove. You want everything to still look all nice and green. This is a secret. All nice and green. Don't overcook it. When you do it this way, you still have the benefits in your vegetables. Just like when you're preparing your vegetables like kale, different kinds of vegetables, you don't want to overcook them, because when you overcook them, you take everything away. But if you just steam them up, like not overcooking, you still get your benefits from your, I mean, your cooked vegetables. So this is the secret. You see everything still looks like natural. The green in the green still looks like still popping. Now you want to transfer this, like sieve it out in another bowl, like because you don't want those like particles, and we are still using the remaining ingredients in the pot. So once you sieve, you want to add water in here for the next, like add 4 cups more of water in there. So these are 4 cups water I just added in there. Add 4 more cups of water. Once you're done with this, you drink the remaining and you can throw. So I'll be adding some lemon juice in here just to activate everything again, because lemon juice is very good to add, boosting your system, boosting your immunity, your metabolism. Very good at boosting your digestion, your digestive system, to burn fat so fat, cleanse you so well. And like there are so many benefits adding lemon juice in here. So you want to squeeze in 1 lemon and add in the mixture. Yeah, so this is it. 1 lemon squeezed, and yeah, so add it in here. Add your 1 lemon in there, and this makes it so powerful. When I say powerful, this is something you want to do when you are at home during the weekends, so you're flushing your system. No office worker is interrupting your cleansing process, you know. So you do it over the weekends. And yeah, so this is it. Mix up to get to one consistency and transfer in your cup. So you want to, these are the 2 cups. You're drinking one in the morning on an empty tummy, first thing in the morning on an empty tummy, and last thing at bedtime. You drink it warm or cold, whatever. The first time you can drink it warm because it is warm, but later on you can drink it in like normal room temperature. That is fine, but you still get all the benefits. Like this is so needed if you want to cleanse bad stuffs from your system, all those bad hormones, heavy metals, bacteria, toxins, bad fats. Like just give your system a thorough cleanse. Like you know how you clean your house, that is how you're cleaning your system with this. Like giving your system a full body cleanse. Yeah, plus you want to make sure you're drinking water as well, because water is the cheapest cleanse and the most powerful of them all. Water is more powerful than this recipe I shared with you today. Water is the most powerful. Like I can't reiterate enough. The benefits of water are too much, and I always quote this example. When you don't drink water and your pee looks so yellowish. Once you drink water, your pee looks so white. That is a very powerful indication. That is a very powerful communication water is giving you. Water is telling you I'm so important. So drink you some water. Tell your sister, your brother to drink some water, some more and more of water, and trust me, you will always be healthy, always looking good, always in shape, free of sicknesses, diseases, always so active. This forms a disease fighting barrier in your system, and you are always just healthy and powerful. Yeah, so you want to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.